Another example of ionic bond is formation of magnesium chloride. Another example of ionic bond is what? Formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is formed from the elements of magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium chloride is formed from the elements of magnesium and chlorine. We can explain this magnesium chloride as one atom of magnesium and two atoms of chlorine gives magnesium chloride compound. I am repeating, one atom of magnesium and two atoms of chlorine gives magnesium chloride compound. Okay. Now we discuss cation formation in magnesium chloride. Cation formation in magnesium chloride. Take magnesium. Electronic configuration of magnesium is what? 2, 8, 2. Electronic configuration of magnesium 2, 8, 2. This is the outermost orbit, means valence shell. This is what? Outermost orbit means valence shell. To get octet configuration, magnesium lose 2 electrons. Magnesium lose 2 electrons and it's form a magnesium cation. After losing 2 electrons. Magnesium form a magnesium cation and it gets octet configuration in outermost orbit. I am repeating, magnesium lose 2 electrons to get octet configuration and it's form a magnesium cation and it's form a magnesium cation. Magnesium is losing 2 electrons, that's why I am writing plus 2 electrons, means loosed electrons. How many loosed electrons? 2. Okay, 2 electrons are loosed by magnesium to get octet configuration and it's form a magnesium cation. Okay, next anion formation. Next one what? Anion formation. Chlorine. Okay, in the molecule, in magnesium chloride compound, how many chlorines there? 2 chlorines there. In magnesium chloride compound, how many chlorines there? 2 chlorines. I am taking that 2 chlorines. Okay, each chlorine electronic configuration is what? 2, 8, 7. Okay, chlorine electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. To get octet configuration, chlorine required one more electron. To get octet configuration, chlorine required one more electron. That's why chlorine gained 1 electron from magnesium. Here how many chlorines there? 2 chlorines. How many chlorines there? 2 chlorines. Each chlorine take 1 electron from magnesium. Total how many electrons are gaining? 2 chlorines, 2 electrons. Each chlorine 1 electron. Okay, that's why I written 2 electrons. Each chlorine gain 1 electron from the magnesium to form a chlorine anion and it's get a octet configuration in outermost orbit. Each chlorine get 1 electron from magnesium. See, each chlorine 1 electron means total 2 electrons are gained by Cl2, 2Cl, right? After gaining 2 electrons, each chlorine, it gives the chlorine anion and it gain the octet configuration in outermost orbit. I am repeating, formation of magnesium chloride. Okay, magnesium chloride is formed from the elements of magnesium and chlorine. Okay, magnesium and chlorine gives magnesium chlorine, right? Magnesium chloride. In that cation formation, magnesium electronic configuration 2, 8, 2, right? 2, 8, 2 in outermost orbital, 2 electrons there. By losing these 2 electrons, magnesium get octet configuration and it's form a magnesium cation. Magnesium is lost 2 electrons, that's why I written plus 2 electrons. If any element lose any electrons, you should write in a right side plus 2 electrons. Okay, 1 electron or 2 electrons. How many electrons are lost? You should write plus number of electrons, right? Next, anion formation. 2 chlorine atoms there in the compound. Okay, 2 chlorines. Each chlorine atom gain 1 electron from magnesium to get octet configuration and it's form a chlorine anion. Okay, now based on the cation and anion, write the equation. magnesium 2 plus magnesium cation plus Cl2 minus gives MgCl2, or we can write Mg2 plus Cl2 minus 2. Okay.